What's up, YouTube? Just got off of work like maybe 20 minutes ago. Currently 5:53 a.m. and it's 9 degrees outside. I got this thing warmed up for you. So if this isn't boost weather, then I don't know what is. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, but I'll give you guys a little pull, something like that. I'll try to keep the windows in the back down for you, even get a little bit more noise. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Nah. It's not happening, man. Anyways, guys, as I said in my last video, if you didn't see that one, then go check it out. We're trying to make 2025 a really good year for the channel and for all of the community around the channel. Remember to keep working hard, whatever it is that you aspire to be and or do in your life. Just keep working for it. Those who fail are the ones that quit. So just keep going, keep getting back up, no matter whatever life throws at you. No setback is too far gone. Yeah, let me know down in the comments what other kinds of videos you guys want to see. I'd like to try to get another pull. I don't know if what's gonna happen this time, but I guess we'll find out then. Let's see. Just a little one. Just a little one. I don't want to keep spinning, and you know, I need new tires too. Anyways, guys, I'm almost home, so I'm gonna leave the video off right here. And yeah, I just wanted to make a little something short, just keep consistent with the channel, because it's just as easy as just picking up the camera, just seeing what happens. None of this is planned out or anything. I just picked up the camera and started recording, like, hey, what's up, YouTube? Yeah, man, we got goals to hit in 2025. Don't forget it. Don't sleep on it. So whatever it is, keep going, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.